We use our smartphones a lot, so here is how chemistry helps us in situations where we are using our phones. We want to be able to see our phones in any light condition. It's just plain annoying when we have to squint in order to see our screens on a sunny day or pitch black night. Although it is still a work in progress, many smartphones today have an OLED display. An OLED consists of organic molecules that are placed between the two electrodes. Unlike a backlit LCD screen, colors are more true to life with deeper blacks and brighter whites. The contrast makes it easier to see your phone screen in any situation. Also, without a backlight, battery life is longer too. You want a phone that is able to last you throughout the day without having to charge it again, right? Smartphones these days come with a lithium-ion battery embedded into the phone. Lithium-ion batteries are the best because they are light and can hold a charge well. However, lithium-ion batteries deteriorate quickly and battery life gets worse as you continue to use and charge it. You can compromise by making a battery with more milliamp hours so that it can hold a charge longer, which results in longer battery life, but you sacrifice some things. One is a thin phone because the bigger the milliamp hours, the bigger the size of the battery. Two is that there is a higher energy density, which increases the likelihood that it could explode, which is possibly what happened to the Samsung Galaxy Note 7. Now, instead of taking risks with a bigger battery, they increase the battery life of each new phone they put out by adding a faster processor. The processing chip, which is about the size of the tip of your finger, is made from pure silicon, which is then exposed to oxygen and heat in order to produce a film with silicon dioxide on its surface. Parts of the silicon dioxide layer are then removed where the current will be able to flow. These processor chips contain CPUs that support all of the tasks you make a smartphone do. These systems get faster and faster, which allows for speedier navigation, and it makes our lives easier. Also, we want a screen that can hold up through our prodding and maybe our accidental dropping. Most phones these days have glass screens on the front and the back of the phone, specifically Corning's Gorilla Glass. They make their glass incredibly strong by submerging it in a bath of molten potassium nitrate. This makes Gorilla Glass scratch and shatter resistant to an extent. It is able to withstand any scratches that can be made by keys or coins and has to be dropped from about head level in order for it to shatter. Your best bet though is to put on a case and screen protector to prevent the likelihood of the phone slipping from your hands and shattering when it hits the ground. Lastly, what if you're in a situation where your hands are cold and you don't want to take your hands out of your gloves to use your phone? Normal gloves won't work because the fabric of them will not allow an electrical current from your fingers to pass through for the phone to recognize your touch. This is why you need special gloves that have conductive fibers so the current goes all the way through. You can also use one of the many stylus pens that Lipscomb gives you because it has conductive rubber that sends electric currents through the phone as well. To conclude, this is how chemistry impacts our daily phone use and makes it very convenient for us to access our phones every day.